10 innocent-looking foods that killed patients. Medical examiner's shocking diary entry number 4 will make you think twice about your dinner. 1. Gas station sushi. Found. Parasitic biofilm coating digestive tract. Case notes. Rapid tissue necrosis within 6 hours. 2. Week-old potato salad. Found. Botulinum toxin levels 300x lethal dose. Case notes. Cellular breakdown resembling acid exposure. 3. Unrefrigerated mayo. Found. Bacterial colonies with unusual growth patterns. Case notes. Salmonella variant resistant to treatment. 4. Raw bean sprouts. Found. E. coli mutation with accelerated reproduction. Case notes. Intestinal perforation in multiple locations. 5. Expired canned meat. Found. Anaerobic bacteria producing neurotoxins. Case notes. Brain tissue deterioration within hours. 6. Street vendor hot dogs. Found. Unknown preservative compound buildup. Case notes. Organ calcification patterns. 7. Improperly canned home preserves. Found. Spores causing rapid tissue decomposition. Case notes. Fatal within 12 hours of consumption. 8. Thawed or frozen fish. Found. Histamine levels exceeding measurement capacity. Case notes. Cardiovascular system collapse. 9. Raw honey infant case. Found. Botulism spores affecting neural development. Case notes. Systematic shutdown of vital functions. 10. Unwashed organic greens. Found. Parasitic organisms with unusual life cycles. Case notes. Progressive organ failure sequence. Dare subscribe to Dr. Moore's dinner invitation